Listen that go! Welcome everyone, I'm Jake, we're at Cobra Sport and it's development rollout day once again. Now today's feature hit the market with all the hype due to the design aiming to replicate its great ancestor, the Mark I Golf GTI. So let's get into it and see what Cobra Sport Source, the development team, have managed to extract from the UP GTI. Designed to replicate the success of the original Mark I Golf GTI, the UP GTI comes with a similar horsepower output, and with its great granddad to follow the footsteps in, weighing in at less than a tonne, supplies enough thrills to keep things fun and exciting, even at legal speeds. So, going all out on this one with full turbo back and GPF back setups. The turbo back option does come available in DCAT and Sports Cat variants, but it must be mentioned that the DCAT will be illegal for road use and will not pass an MOT emissions test. The downpipe, however, does contain a little resonator just to keep the drone and grumble down a bit, and will be useful if you're looking to get a full turbo back setup for the track. Now moving on to the GPF back section, which will probably be the most popular setup. Available like this one, non-resonated, or with a big resonator, the options are up to you. Obviously the non-resonated one is going to be a little bit louder, so if you are going for the downpipe or turbo back option, we'd probably recommend the resonator unless you really are wanting to get all the noise. And finally, tailpipes, which come in a 3.5 inch outlet with the usual options of stainless steel, ceramic black or carbon fibre, due to your preferences. So we've seen the exhaust system, let's have a listen to it. So, starting off with the non-resonated GPF back system, which will probably be the most popular. And now moving on to the full fat turbo back, which as you can hear, supplies a little bit more tone to the UP. So for the road test today, we have gone for the loud setup. This is the turbo back with sports cap, so MOT compliant, but it is missing the resonator from the rear end. So the noise you get really is powerful. The thunder that comes out of that is ridiculous. It's really difficult to think that it's only a 1 litre sat in the engine bay. So there you have it, our turbo back and GPF back exhaust systems for the Volkswagen UP GTI. As always, if any of the terminology mentioned in today's video doesn't quite make sense, head over to YouTube and search Exhaust Talk. Alternatively, pick the phone up and give us a bell and we'll be happy to talk about your inquiries. As always, thanks for tuning in. Until next time.